Our advanced quality lab also ensures detailed reports and traceability of each and every product to meet the standard requirements. We work closely with all our clients to understand their needs and provide a customized solution to solve all their requirements.
We follow customer-oriented approach, APQP methodology, advanced product quality planning. We involve the customer right from the design stage, and that is how we assure the quality of the product functionally as well as aesthetically.
We are open to harnessing new age technologies to enhance customer experience and product quality. Siddhalakshmi is an ISO and IATF certified company, and we comply to the global standards. We have streamlined our processes to ensure on-time deliveries and assured quality.